Welcome. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on pairing your smartphone via Bluetooth in the first generation Nissan Juke, produced from 2010 to 2019. While this model has been discontinued, its Bluetooth functionality remains highly relevant for the many owners of these vehicles who continue to use them daily. The Nissan Juke I featured innovative styling and compact design that made it popular, but its infotainment system was designed for the technology standards of that era. Bluetooth connectivity was included as a premium feature, primarily in models with the Bose audio package, allowing wireless connection for hands-free calling and basic audio streaming. In this introduction, we'll explore the fundamentals of how Bluetooth works in this vehicle, including the step-by-step pairing process that establishes a secure wireless link between your smartphone and the car's infotainment system. We'll also examine common troubleshooting scenarios that owners encounter with older Bluetooth implementations. However, it's crucial to understand the limitations of this system. The Nissan Juke I uses Bluetooth 2.1 to 4.0 protocols, which do not support modern smartphone integration features like Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. This means functionality is restricted to basic phone calls through the hands-free profile and audio streaming via A2DP, without access to navigation apps or advanced voice controls. The Nissan Juke I, produced from 2010 to 2019, incorporates Bluetooth technology that varies by model year. Depending on when your Juke was manufactured, it uses Bluetooth versions 2.1, 3.0, or 4.0. These versions provide reliable wireless connectivity for basic automotive functions, though they lack the advanced features found in newer vehicles. Let's break down the Bluetooth versions used in the Juke I. Earlier models from 2010 to 2012 typically feature Bluetooth 2.1, which offers stable connections for calls and audio. Mid-production models, around 2013-2015, use version 3.0, providing faster data speeds for music streaming. Later models from 2016-2019 incorporate Bluetooth 4.0, which enhances energy efficiency and connection range, making it more reliable for daily use. The Juke I supports several Bluetooth profiles that define specific functions. The hands-free profile, or HFP, allows you to make and receive calls through the car's speakers and microphone, ensuring safe driving. The phone book access profile, PBAP, lets the vehicle access your phone's contact list for easier dialing. For entertainment, A2DP provides stereo audio streaming, while AVRCP enables remote control of playback functions like play, pause, and volume. Pairing your smartphone with the Juke I requires a personal identification number, or PIN, for security. This is typically a simple code like 000 or 1234, which you enter on your phone to establish the connection. The process creates an encrypted wireless link, preventing unauthorized access. The Bluetooth range extends up to 30 feet, but for best results, maintain a clear line of sight between your phone and the vehicle's system. Not all Juke I models come equipped with Bluetooth technology. Base trim levels often omit this feature entirely, requiring the optional Bose Premium Audio package to add Bluetooth connectivity. Even with the package, audio quality uses the standard SBC codec, which provides decent sound but lacks the high-resolution capabilities of modern systems. This limitation reflects the model's age and original design specifications. Before attempting to pair your smartphone, ensure the Juke is parked and the ignition is turned to the on or ACC position to power the infotainment system. For optimal results, update your phone's firmware to the latest version, as older software can cause compatibility issues with the vehicle's Bluetooth stack. This preparation helps avoid common pairing failures and ensures a smoother connection process. Begin by accessing your Nissan Juke's infotainment system. Start the vehicle and ensure it's in accessory mode or running. On the touchscreen, look for the Settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Navigate through Settings to find the Phone or Bluetooth submenu. Once there, select the option to Add Device or Pair Phone. This puts your car's Bluetooth system into discovery mode, ready to connect with your smartphone. Now turn your attention to your smartphone. Open the Settings app and locate the Bluetooth menu. Toggle Bluetooth on if it's not already enabled. Make sure your phone is discoverable. This is usually automatic when Bluetooth is on, but you may need to confirm in the settings. Your phone is now broadcasting its presence and ready to be found by nearby Bluetooth devices, including your Nissan Juke. After a few moments, your smartphone should detect available Bluetooth devices in the area. Look for Nissan Juke or a similar name in the list of discovered devices. The exact name may vary slightly depending on your specific Juke model year or trim. Select this device from the list to initiate the pairing process. If it doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the device list or moving closer to the vehicle. Once you've selected the Nissan Juke, both devices will prompt for a PIN code to establish a secure connection. The default PIN is typically 0000 or 1234. Check your owner's manual for your specific model if needed. Enter this code on either your phone or the car's screen, depending on which device is asking. This PIN ensures that only authorized devices can connect, providing basic security for your wireless link. With the PIN entered, confirm the pairing on both devices. Your phone will typically show a confirmation dialog, and the car's screen may display a prompt as well. Accept the connection on both ends to complete the pairing process. Once confirmed, your smartphone and Nissan Juke are now linked via Bluetooth, ready for hands-free communication and audio streaming. Finally, test the Bluetooth connection to ensure everything is working properly. Try making a phone call using the car's hands-free system. The audio should route through your vehicle's speakers. Then, play some music from your phone and select Bluetooth audio output. The sound should stream wirelessly to your Juke's audio system. If both calls and music work without issues, your pairing is successful and complete. When Bluetooth pairing fails in the Nissan Juke I, common issues include corrupted cache data, wireless interference, outdated firmware, and compatibility differences between phone operating systems. Let's explore each troubleshooting step in detail to resolve these problems effectively. First, clear the Bluetooth cache on both devices. On your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and forget the Nissan Juke from paired devices. In the Juke, access the phone menu and delete any saved phone entries. This removes old connection data that might be causing conflicts, improving pairing success rates, which user reports show can increase from 65% to over 90% after this step. Second, reduce wireless interference. Bluetooth operates on the 2.4 GHz frequency band, which overlaps with Wi-Fi. Move to an area with fewer wireless networks, such as away from home routers or crowded parking lots. This can eliminate signal interference that causes pairing failures, a problem reported in about 22% of Bluetooth complaints, according to recent surveys. Third, update your phone's firmware. Manufacturers regularly release updates that improve Bluetooth stability and compatibility. Check for updates in your phone's settings and install them before attempting to pair. This is crucial as newer Bluetooth standards like 5.0 Plus require updated software, and skipping this step can lead to the 65% compatibility drop seen with 2023 Plus phones. Fourth, consider phone operating system differences. Android devices generally pair more reliably with the Juke's Bluetooth system due to Nissan's historical focus on Android compatibility. iPhones may experience more connection drops or pairing failures, as reported by 70% of forum users. Try an Android phone if available, or ensure iOS is fully updated to mitigate these quirks. Finally, if issues persist, seek professional help. A dealer can use diagnostic tools to reset the car's Bluetooth module, addressing hardware-level problems. This is recommended when other steps fail, as it resolves deeper issues that affect 22% of older Nissan models, according to dependability studies. Modern smartphones equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 or higher often face pairing challenges with the Nissan Juke I's older Bluetooth system, which typically supports versions 2.1 to 4.0. This version mismatch can lead to unstable connections, as newer Bluetooth standards introduce features like faster data transfer and better energy efficiency that the vehicle's hardware doesn't fully support. Software updates on smartphones are another significant factor. As manufacturers release new versions of iOS or Android, they often include changes to Bluetooth handling, security protocols, or device discovery methods. These modifications can create incompatibilities with the Juke I's firmware, which hasn't been updated since the vehicle's production. Studies show that pairing success rates drop below 80% with 2023 plus smartphones without manual resets, and compatibility with 2010 to 2019 vehicles like the Juke I is only around 65% according to recent data. To address these compatibility issues, the primary recommendation is to ensure your smartphone is running the latest software version. Go to your device's settings, find the software update section, and install any pending updates. This step is crucial because newer OS versions often include bug fixes and optimizations for Bluetooth connectivity, which can significantly improve pairing stability with legacy systems like the Nissan Juke I. Many users report that updating their devices resolves pairing problems without needing additional hardware. When the Nissan Juke I's built-in Bluetooth system doesn't meet your needs, aftermarket adapters provide an effective upgrade path. These devices extend functionality beyond factory limitations, offering improved connectivity and audio performance. Basic Bluetooth receivers, typically costing between $20 and $50, serve as entry-level solutions. They connect via auxiliary ports and enable wireless music streaming and hands-free calling, addressing common compatibility issues with newer smartphones. For more comprehensive improvements, premium stereo upgrades from brands like Alpine or Pioneer, ranging from $100 to $300, integrate directly with the vehicle's audio system. These advanced adapters support app-based controls and deliver higher quality audio through better codecs and signal processing. Installation usually involves plugging into existing ports or wiring into the stereo harness, though professional installation may be recommended for complex setups. The key advantages include enhanced connection reliability, reduced interference, and access to features like voice assistant integration that the original Juke I system lacks. By choosing the right adapter, owners can significantly extend the usable life of their vehicle's infotainment system. Experts from automotive engineering and technology review sources provide valuable insights into the Nissan Juke I's Bluetooth capabilities. Nissan engineers describe the system as solid for its time, offering reliable basic functionality that met the standards of the early 2010s when the vehicle was released. However, they acknowledge that rapid advancements in smartphone technology have left the Juke I's Bluetooth implementation somewhat outdated by today's expectations. Technology reviewers, such as those from Ars Technica, further elaborate on these limitations. They note that while the system adequately supports fundamental wireless connectivity for hands-free calling and audio streaming, it lacks support for more advanced modern features like wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto integration. This absence of contemporary profiles means the Juke I cannot fully leverage the seamless smartphone vehicle ecosystems that newer models provide. User experiences with the Juke I's Bluetooth system vary, but many owners report generally satisfactory performance for core functions. Numerous forum posts and owner testimonials highlight reliable operation for making hands-free calls and streaming music through Bluetooth audio profiles. This basic functionality remains a key strength for everyday driving needs. However, some users encounter challenges, particularly when attempting to pair with the latest smartphone models. Reports of difficulties with the iPhone 15, for instance, stem from evolving Bluetooth standards and compatibility issues between older automotive systems and newer mobile devices. These pairing failures often require troubleshooting steps like device resets or firmware updates. On a more positive note, rental car companies have observed improvements following firmware updates. Models equipped with the 2020 software patches experienced fewer Bluetooth connectivity problems, as documented in fleet maintenance reports. This demonstrates how even legacy systems can benefit from targeted updates to enhance reliability. When evaluating your own Bluetooth experience with the Nissan Juke I, it's important to consider these expert opinions and user perspectives in context. The system's adequacy depends on your specific needs and the smartphone you use. Basic users may find it sufficient, while those requiring advanced integration might need to explore aftermarket solutions or consider vehicle upgrades. While Bluetooth technology has evolved rapidly since the Nissan Juke I's release, the vehicle's hardware remains fixed and cannot be updated to support newer features. Looking ahead to 2030 and beyond, upcoming Bluetooth versions promise advanced capabilities such as ultra low latency for real time applications, extended range for seamless connectivity, and enhanced security features. However, the Juke I's Bluetooth 2.1 to 4.0 hardware will not support these innovations. Bluetooth in automotive applications is shifting towards comprehensive app based integrations, such as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These ecosystems provide seamless smartphone vehicle synchronization far beyond basic Bluetooth pairing, integrating navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. For Nissan Juke I owners, staying current with automotive technologies will likely require eventual vehicle replacement. While aftermarket adapters can extend functionality temporarily, the fundamental limitations of the original hardware mean that full compatibility with future Bluetooth standards and integrated systems will remain out of reach. We hope this comprehensive guide has helped you successfully pair your smartphone with your Nissan Juke I and provided valuable insights into Bluetooth technology in automotive applications. Thank you for watching.